was driving this, like the fake car, and it flipping bent it. No, cause I was driving it down here, right, and then it just banged there and sat there. So basically, I'm gonna try that again and see what happens. Please don't break again. I couldn't see it. I know you guys couldn't see it. Let me put this as a good angle. And the other thing, I broke the handle. It's right there. It came out because it banged there too much. Go! Oh! Okay, he landed. Okay, he's safe. This guy's safe. But he's kind of getting bented. Alright. Yo! Yo! Yo, 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 yo. I don't even know if that bent it, but bro, oh, yo, hold up. Bro, look what happened. Oh, it's fucking bumping because of it. No, look. The whole thing's bumping. You didn't see it? It was bumping. Look, just stay there. You guys see it? Look. It was fucking bumping. I don't know if you can pick that up. Just send it back to me. See, the leg is bumping. I don't know if it's the car or it's just like the fuel. See, it's like opening and curving. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know. Guys, I cannot be okay. Turn on the light. Yeah. Park out. What's wrong with it? It's going so slow now. It's like, I don't know if the engine's busted or like a wire's cut, but something's wrong. Let's see. I wish you had like a small cam so we can put it in the car. So we can see what the car sees. Yeah. Let's sit here. Now guys, I want you guys to smash that like button. With
Can't
3,
focus.
2,
The camera's not focused.
oh god. Hold up. Look at this. Look at the bottom of the thing. Oh Jesus. bottom. Now 3, 2, 1. Boom! Wait. It went curving. It was curving. Oh my god. Yeah, that's the door handle. Look, it's the door handle. Wait, I saw it hanging out of the door like this. And I'm like, what? I thought like it was just like a piece of in the car. But it was really just the flipping door. And I'm like, yeah, I don't care about it. Alright, zoom it down. Zoom it down. Oh! If that exploded. Yo! Yo, the car's just taking a big beating. Come on, zoom it down. Now that's a beating, I tell you. Sorry guys about the dark. But dang, this car's taking a beating. Now let's try about the railing. No, drop it down here. Don't drop it until I say drop it. No, on there. On there. No. No. Right there on the orange. No, on the orange part. Yeah. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo. All right, guys. Now, yes, this car looks like it's normal, except the door handle. But those things don't matter. All right, guys. Candy cane and Merry Christmas! You asking why is there candy canes on the thing? I don't know. But all right, let me show you these things. Hold up. Oh, we're gonna have a passenger. Wait, we're gonna have a driver. Wait, let's have it small enough. Okay. All right. I want to drive. All right, fine. Don't do it until I tell you to do it. Don't do it now. Yo, the thing went like that. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. That sounded so loud. Yo. Oh. Yo. That car. Take that beating. Oh. That did not sound good. That did not sound good. Where's the car? Where's the car? Yo, as I heard like a millions of pieces bang. Oh, I found it. You hold the camera. Hold the camera. Got it. Wait. Nothing.
Oh my, yo, come with me. Actually, no, we'll break it.
Nothing. There's nothing on it. There's no damage. Pass it back. Pass it back. Wait, did something happen? When we said nothing happened, the back lights came out. And the door started to get wobbly. Oh, something's really happening. Bro, I thought just nothing would happen. Like, this car is normal, right? Nothing can happen to a metal car. Right? Right? Door is open. Oh!
Yo, I'm passing it down. Yo.
Ah! Holy crap. Okay, guys. That was a sneak ball for you guys. Holy shit. I don't think you see that. Yo! The flipping car, the flipping backlight came out. Oh! Yo, this is the last bang we're going to do to this car. Because this car is taking a massive.
Yo.
But guys, the flipping other one came out. The flipping other one came out. The other one came out. Yo. This car's taking a massive beating, bro. Both of the door handles are coming out, bro. Bro. No,
Come on.
no, we're not doing another
One more schedule.
Fine, one more. One more. And that's it. Because my car is taking beatings. That did not sound good, John. Alright, guys. Oh, God, it zoomed in. Yo! Yo! Yo, bro! Yo! Yo! Nah, bro, that's the last beating. Bro! Bro. No, wait, no, bro.
No,
Come on. No, let's see if it's actually drivable still. Bro, I don't think this thing's... Yo! You can hear the string. Bro, it's not... No, bro.
Why not?
No, the car's not even drivable. No, bro.
Mango vlog.
Like, if they drive it.
Mango vlog.
Guys, I don't think he just landed on his...
Let me get a mango cam up in here. I'm about to get a mango cam. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to put you down for a second.